Welcome to Verona, a charming city in northern Italy that is famous for its well-preserved Roman amphitheater, the Arena, and its connection to Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. With its medieval streets, picturesque piazzas, and the scenic Adige River, Verona blends rich history with a romantic atmosphere. Verona is located in northern Italy in the Veneto region, along the Adige River, between Milan and Venice. Our journey begins at the Arena di Verona, a remarkably well-preserved Roman amphitheater built in the 1st century AD, which is still used today for world-famous opera performances. Located in Piazza Bra, this iconic structure showcases Verona's rich history and architectural grandeur, attracting visitors from around the globe. Just a few footsteps from the arena, Verona's Old Town is a charming blend of medieval architecture, bustling piazzas, and historic landmarks, offering a glimpse into the city's rich past. Via Giuseppe Mazzini, a lively pedestrian street lined with elegant boutiques and cafes, connects Piazza Bra to Piazza delle Erbe, making it a popular spot for both shopping and sightseeing. Piazza delle Erbe, the oldest square in Verona, is a vibrant marketplace surrounded by medieval buildings, Renaissance palaces, and the iconic Lamberti Tower. Once the heart of Roman Verona, it now thrives as a lively hub filled with cafes, market stalls, and historical charm. Casa di Giulietta, or Juliet's house, is a famous Verona landmark, believed to be the inspiration for Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Visitors flock to the house to see the iconic balcony, where the fictional Juliet is said to have spoken to Romeo and to leave letters of love on the walls. The house also features a small museum displaying artifacts related to the legend, further immersing visitors in the romantic story. Piazza dei Signori, also known as Piazza Dante, is a historic square celebrated for its architectural heritage. Dominated by a statue of Dante Alighieri, the square is surrounded by significant buildings such as the medieval Palazzo del Comune, the Renaissance-style Loggia del Consiglio, and the Gothic Palazzo del Capitano, each showcasing Verona's rich blend of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Together, these structures form a stunning representation of the city's history and artistic legacy. Thank you for watching.